Did you know that some of the medications you're taking right now could be making you sicker? It's true. Common pills for sleep, blood pressure, anxiety, and pain may be quietly damaging your brain, liver, and heart. They may help one symptom but cause 5 more problems. That's not healing. That's masking. What if I told you there's a tea? Yeah, a simple herbal tea that could help you sleep better, reduce anxiety, lower your blood pressure, protect your brain, support your immune system, and even help control blood sugar levels. And all without side effects. You might think it's too good to be true, but it's not. It's basil tea. And no, we're not talking about the sprinkle of basil on your pizza. We're talking about holy basil, also known as Tulsi. This powerful leaf has been used for over 3,000 years in Ayurvedic medicine and is now backed by science. Many doctors and researchers are now calling it one of the most powerful healing herbs on the planet. So why should you care? Because basil tea might help you avoid the long-term health damage that modern life throws at you every day. If you're over 40, your body is changing. Your hormones shift. Your sleep becomes lighter. Your joints start to ache. Your memory isn't as sharp. You may feel more tired, more stressed, and more inflamed. That's aging. But basil tea can help fight these changes in a safe, natural way. Let's start with one of the most common problems: anxiety and poor sleep. Millions of people can't sleep well. They wake up tired, groggy, and anxious. Many turn to sleeping pills, but those pills often come with dangerous side effects: addiction, confusion, and even memory loss. Basil tea offers a natural alternative. It contains calming compounds like eugenol and linalool, which help reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Lower cortisol means calmer nerves. It means deeper sleep. In fact, a study in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine showed that people who drank holy basil tea daily reported better sleep quality and reduced anxiety within just 7 days. That's powerful. And all from a cup of tea. But basil tea doesn't just help you sleep, it also protects your brain. Memory loss and brain fog are becoming more common, even in people as young as 45. And the shocking part? Some common medications, especially anticholinergic drugs, are linked to a 50% higher risk of dementia. That's according to a study in JAMA Internal Medicine. But basil helps fight back. Its antioxidants protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, which is honestly one of the biggest causes of memory decline. In animal studies, basil extract improved memory, learning, and reduced signs of Alzheimer's. So instead of damaging your brain with pills, why not protect it with tea? Now let's talk about something even more dangerous: high blood pressure. It's known as the silent killer. You don't feel it until a stroke or heart attack hits. And what's worse, many people take blood pressure meds for years, not knowing they can cause fatigue, dizziness, and even depression. Basil tea helps in a gentler way. It contains eugenol, which helps relax blood vessels. This allows better blood flow and reduces pressure naturally. In fact, in one study published in Pharmaceutical Biology, basil extract significantly reduced blood pressure levels in test subjects, without any toxic effects. Think about that. A natural plant doing what synthetic drugs do, without the long list of warnings. But basil tea also strengthens your immune system. If you get sick often, feel tired, or can't shake off infections easily, your immune system may be weak. Basil is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and other immune-boosting antioxidants. It helps your body fight bacteria, viruses, and chronic inflammation. A study in the Indian Journal of Medical Research found that people who consumed holy basil regularly had stronger immune responses and were less likely to catch colds and flu. This is especially important today, where new viruses and pollutants are everywhere. So if you want to build a strong defense, basil tea is a simple first step. Let's move to another major issue: joint pain and inflammation. If your knees ache, your back is stiff, or your hands feel swollen, it could be inflammation. Most people take painkillers, but over time, those damage your stomach, kidneys, and liver. Basil contains rosmarinic acid and ursolic acid, natural anti-inflammatories. These compounds help reduce joint pain and swelling. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed basil's anti-inflammatory properties were similar to over-the-counter NSAIDs like ibuprofen. The difference? No damage to your stomach lining. No kidney stress. Just relief. And now, perhaps the biggest surprise, basil tea can help manage blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes is rising fast. Even teens are getting it now. And millions of adults are pre-diabetic and don't even know it. But basil helps regulate blood sugar in several ways. It helps your body respond to insulin better. It slows down the rise in blood sugar after meals. In a clinical study published in the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics, people with type 2 diabetes who took basil extract daily saw a significant drop in both fasting and post-meal glucose levels. This means basil tea may help reduce your need for sugar control medications. Again, talk to your doctor before changing anything. But it's a hopeful option that comes from your kitchen, not a lab. So, how do you make basil tea? It's simple. Take 5 to 7 fresh basil leaves or 1 teaspoon of dried holy basil. Boil 1½ cups of water. Add the basil. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and drink warm. Optional. Add a small slice of ginger or a teaspoon of honey. Drink once in the morning to energize your day. Drink once before bed to calm your mind and body. This routine can change everything. Now, let's be clear. Basil tea is safe for most people, but there are some precautions. If you are pregnant, have very low blood sugar, or take blood thinners, you should consult your doctor first. Basil has mild blood thinning effects, which can interact with medications. Also, moderation matters. Start with 1 cup per day. Observe how your body feels. If all is well, increase to 2 cups a day. That's usually enough to get the full benefits. Let's recap what we've learned so far. Basil tea helps reduce anxiety. It helps you sleep better. It protects your brain from memory loss. It lowers high blood pressure. It strengthens your immune system. It reduces joint pain and inflammation. And it helps manage type 2 diabetes. All of this, without side effects, without addiction, and without expensive drugs. And yet, very few people know this. Why? Because it's natural. You can grow it at home. You don't need a prescription. And that means big pharma doesn't profit from it. But your health? It can improve quickly. Just by making this one change. 1 plant, 1 cup, twice a day. You're not just drinking tea, you're healing. In the next part, we'll explore even more hidden benefits of basil tea. We'll also dive into how it helps with aging, hormone balance, liver detox, and more. You'll see why doctors are finally paying attention, and why basil tea could become your most powerful daily habit. But remember, every journey to better health starts with a small step. And this step starts in your kitchen. So boil that water, drop in those leaves, and take a sip. You might just be sipping your way to a stronger, calmer, and longer life. If you think basil tea is just a remedy for sleep and stress, think again. Because we're just getting started. What if I told you this tea could also slow aging, detox your liver, balance your hormones, and even protect your lungs and heart? Sounds impossible, right? But science says otherwise. Let's start with aging. Wrinkles, memory loss, fatigue, sagging skin. These are all signs of internal stress and damage. Aging is not just about time, it's about inflammation. It's about oxidative stress, which damages your cells day after day. Free radicals attack your body and make you older faster. But basil tea fights back. It's full of antioxidants like eugenol, apigenin, and rosmarinic acid. These antioxidants neutralize the bad guys, free radicals. They help protect your DNA and slow down cell damage. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Medicine showed that basil extracts reduce oxidative stress and even increase lifespan in lab tests. It's like giving your body a shield, not from time, but from the things that make time hurt more. Drink basil tea regularly, and you may notice fewer fine lines, more energy, and a sharper mind. But that's not all. Basil tea also supports something most people never think about until it's too late: your liver. Your liver filters toxins, breaks down fat, and keeps your body clean from the inside. But modern life puts pressure on it. Alcohol, fried food, processed snacks, painkillers, pollution. It adds up. If your liver gets sluggish, everything slows down: your digestion, your energy, your metabolism. But basil can help. It boosts your liver enzymes and supports natural detox. In one study published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine, basil improved liver function in just a few weeks. People felt lighter, more energetic, and had better digestion. Some even noticed their skin clearing up. Because when your liver is happy, your body glows. Think of basil tea as a gentle daily cleanse. Not extreme, not harsh, just consistent support. And now, let's talk about something many people don't connect to tea: hormones. As we age, hormones become unbalanced. For women, estrogen and progesterone levels change. For men, testosterone drops. This causes fatigue, mood swings, belly fat, hot flashes, low libido, even depression. But basil is what experts call an adaptogen. That means it helps your body balance itself naturally. It doesn't add hormones. It helps regulate them. Studies have shown that basil reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, while supporting healthy hormone function. That means less stress, more calm, better energy, and more balanced moods. If you feel off and can't explain why, your hormones might be out of sync. Basil tea could help you feel like yourself again, just by sipping it daily. Now, take a deep breath, because here comes another amazing benefit: lung health. Do you suffer from allergies, asthma, frequent colds, maybe a persistent cough? Basil tea can help. It has strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It clears mucus. It soothes the throat. It opens the lungs. People in India have used Tulsi for centuries to treat bronchitis, sinus issues, and chest congestion. In fact, basil acts like a gentle expectorant. It helps the body get rid of phlegm. If you feel blocked in your chest or have trouble breathing in polluted air, basil tea might bring relief. And unlike chemical cough syrups, it won't make you drowsy or dizzy, just clear and calm. But here's something even deeper. Basil tea supports your heart, and not just by lowering blood pressure. Basil improves blood flow. It reduces LDL cholesterol, the bad kind. It raises HDL, the good kind. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that basil extract reduced cholesterol and improved circulation in just 4 weeks. This means better heart health, lower risk of stroke, and more energy throughout the day. If you're over 50, your heart needs more support than ever. Basil tea is a smart way to give it daily care. Without pills, without risks. Just nature helping your heart stay strong. And if you think that's all, there's more. Basil tea also helps your digestion. Bloating, gas, constipation, acid reflux. These are all signs that your gut needs help. Basil tea helps relax your stomach muscles. It reduces acid and improves bowel movement. People who drink basil tea often report feeling lighter and less bloated. Some say their cravings go away. Others say they lose weight naturally without dieting. Why? Because when your gut is happy, your whole body feels better. And digestion is at the center of your health. When digestion is strong, nutrients are absorbed better. When it's weak, toxins build up. Basil helps restore balance. Now you might be asking, can this tea really do all that? The answer is yes. But only if you use it right. Don't expect one sip to cure everything. Think of it as a daily ritual, like brushing your teeth. Simple, gentle, effective over time. Let's quickly repeat how to make it. Use 1 teaspoon dried holy basil or 5 to 7 fresh leaves. Boil 1½ cups of water. Add basil. Let simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain. Drink warm. Optional. Add a little honey or a slice of ginger for extra flavor. Best times to drink? Morning, to cleanse and energize. Night, to relax and repair. That's 2 cups a day that could completely change your life. But wait. What about safety? Basil tea is safe for most people, but not all. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, taking blood thinners, or have very low blood sugar, talk to your doctor first. Basil may thin the blood or slightly lower sugar levels, so use with care if you're on medications. Also, avoid going overboard. 1 to 2 cups a day is plenty. More doesn't mean better. Herbs are powerful. Respect them. Start small. Watch how your body responds. Then make it a habit. The results may surprise you. Some people say they noticed better sleep in 2 days, clearer skin in 5 days, less joint pain in a week, lower blood pressure in 10 days, sharper thinking in 3 weeks. Of course, results vary. But most people feel something quickly. That's the power of healing from the inside. Not covering symptoms, not numbing pain, but real change. Natural, lasting. And now, here's the big picture. If you combine basil tea with other good habits, like better sleep, more water, a cleaner diet, you'll amplify the benefits. This tea becomes a gateway to better living, and that's the real magic. 1 cup, 1 habit, that leads to better choices, better energy, better days, and a better future. So don't underestimate this green leaf. It may be small, but its effects are huge. It has helped people for thousands of years. And now it's here for you. Easy to find, easy to make, easy to drink. Life-changing if you stick with it. So here's your action plan. Start with 1 cup tonight. Boil the water, drop in the leaves, inhale the steam, sip slowly. Feel it calm you. Tomorrow, do it again and again. For a week, then 2, and then a month. Watch your body respond. Watch your health shift. And ask yourself, how did I ever live without this? Because sometimes the answer isn't in a pharmacy. It's in your kitchen. And sometimes the medicine isn't bitter. It's sweet, warm, herbal, and full of healing. That's basil tea. That's the genius doctor's secret. And now it's yours too.